Man, somebody look at this goddamn shit right here, man. This goddamn nigga right here, man. This nigga got a motherfucking vest on in a motherfucking car with no seatbelt, no AC, and the window don't come down. This nigga finna die in this motherfucker today. Him in that goddamn vest gonna be wet as fuck. He gonna be drowning in this wet. Just check him out, man. Just check him out. Look at the motherfucker.
Who needs seatbelt when you got a vest? Smart thinking by me. Let's go. Let's go. Go, let it go, let it go. Ooh, I be getting well, man. I'm gonna be gone. I be doing about 40. That bitch say 15. I don't even care. I be gone. I be gone on the hoe. I be gone on the hoe. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down. Bust down, Tatiana. Wanna see you bust down. Yeah. Bust down a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Let me get that out real quick while we stop. Woo! I'm here my motherfucking door. Shit. Alright. Yeah, true behind me.